Yep. Once again, very good morning and thanks for joining. So, as part of today's session, we are going to discuss more on what is the main role we will place once we got placed. Okay, as a DBA, it's not a sequel. Okay, I won't say sequel. Even if you go for Postgres or MongoDB or Oracle, if you go for as a database management system, okay, mostly it will be common. Okay, what is your roles and responsibilities, and what is your day-to-day activities? This is what we want to understand first. Okay, from as I told you, from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start the actual SQL Server DBA training. Okay, so we'll start from architecture and we'll go all the rest of the concepts. Okay, before I move on into the actual concepts, today I just wanted to make a general talk about everyone is shown interest to learn the SQL Server database administrator. We wanted to understand once you got placed in any organization, okay, once you got selected, what is my role there? Okay, what is work I need to do? What I'm learning from here in this training, or whenever you go to the YouTube or you will go to the any social media platforms or any AI like ChatGPT, Copilot, if you go for any AI, so you search for something, okay, you will get a lot of content, okay, but when you go to the reality, means once you got selected to the any one of the company or any organization, once you got assigned the project, what I need to do, what sort of work I will get, what sort of activities I will get, what sort of I need to deliver to the customer, to the end users, to the application team. Again, there is no fixed agenda for today. Okay, I can't say that only will get this one. Oh, you are working for DBA for 10 years, Subbu. Why can't you say that what exactly work I will get? No one can predict, sir, because I got a chance to work with the varieties of clients. Luckily, different varieties of clients. So I got little more experience to talk on what is a DBA role, what exactly we will do once we got selected. Okay, that's what today our main agenda. Okay, it's a very formal general talk. Uh, Stop me, raise your questions, clarify your doubts. Okay, we are not discussing anything technical, but this session is very important than technical. I mean to say, whatever you are learning for next s- sessions, okay, than that, this is very important because I will categorize into two. One is experienced people, one is a lateral, means the people who are starting the journey. Experienced people, you like 80 to 85% you aware of what activity we will get whenever you get a chance. But the people who are starting the journey as a DBS, okay, I'm not talking about SQL Server, okay, as a DBA, or forget about if I'm entering to the IT industry, okay, it can be Java, it can be Python, it can be missile level language, it can be artificial intelligence, it can be any other technologies as well. Throughout the global, we are having thousands of technologies. You got a chance to work with any one of the technology. What exactly we are doing? Okay, what exactly we are doing? That's what we want to understand, sir. Okay, that's what we want to understand. So mainly that is a talk today to understand. You need to understand some terminologies. Okay, mostly you should understand some terminologies. Okay, make a note down by watching again these sessions. Okay, 95% we will follow the same strategies, and 5% or 10% it will differs because maybe you may get a chance to work with the smaller organizations, smaller projects. The chances will be different sometimes. Okay, but 70 to 80, 85%, whatever we are discussing today, almost in the ones you got placed, it will fit the same. Okay, it will fit the same. Now, See, once you complete your like a graduation, okay, or masters, you want to, you are having two kinds of jobs throughout the global, only two kinds of job. Okay, one is government jobs. Okay, basically we'll search for any government jobs, and we'll prepare for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and we will get selected, and you will do that respect to government job. Forget about government job, we are not worrying now. Another choice for us is IT industry. So it's very difficult to place the government job because the competition is high, and someone will may not good at the aptitude kind of stuff, and they're mostly afraid of the aptitude, and they will choose the IT industries. And you will collect some information by your neighbors or someone or social media. You will get some information, this technology is good, that technology is good, now market is good. But the major problem here is two things. One is, if you're choosing a technology, okay, you want to place a profile in the in the in the portals, job portals. It can be in India, it can be Naukri, it can be Founded, it can be LinkedIn, okay, it can be Spain. So you will prepare one profile, and you will place that profile into the any one of the job portal, and any one of the recruiter will find your profile which suits for their requirement, and they will call you, and you will pick the call, and your profile will get be shortlisted, and you will attend the interviews. That's a one following we are doing. But the main problem is, couple of the technologies, okay, they will expect, IT industry will expect the experience, okay, experience. And the people who completed just masters, just their graduation, okay, they can't place the experience. That's a major problem. And the people who are you are interacting, you will go to the, like by searching the social media, you will call them, and I wanted to learn so and so technology. They won't tell all this stuff. Okay, no worries, you can join the course, you will complete the course, you will get the call. Okay, and you will start joining the course, and you will pay, and you will take the course, and you will went to the job, okay, portals. You prepared the profile, and you went to the job portals. You won't get the calls. Correct? How many people struggle this? How many people? Anyone? And you will after 1 month, 2 months, you will wait for 1 month, 2 months. Again, you start choosing one more technology. You will again go to the social media or go to the neighbors. They will tell, okay, no, this technology is not in the market currently, you need to keep some experience or blah 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 something, and you just start choosing one more profile, one more technology. The technology which you choose in the first, you have put more efforts to learn lot, but unfortunately that not went well, and you chosen one more technology. That time you will keep only 55 to 60 or 60, not 65% only the interest, because you need to learn one more technology from the scratch. So this is the most problem we are facing throughout the global. Throughout the global, this is the problem. The people who are training, they are not informing you. They are not asking a single question that how many years, okay, uh, you completed your graduation or BTech. Which year you completed the graduation or BTech? Oh, I just completed in the 2025. Okay, just now I just completed. Then if the people who are just completing, and they are reaching us, hey, no, this is the concern. Okay, first understand the problem. If you're okay, then you can join our course. So no one is highlighting that point, sir. Because all the trainers, they want the money. They are looking for just money, but they are forgetting about your career, your time. Money you can earn, but time you can't earn. Okay, 1 month is completed, 2 months is completed, 3 months is completed. So that is the biggest problem every throughout the global we are facing. in the industries, whoever is coming to the market, IT market, they are taking this opportunity. Simply, they are taking this opportunity, and you are paying, and you are obviously you will waste your time. But learning nowhere it will go. But obviously, we wanted to crack the interviews. We wanted to get an opportunity. That's the one challenge we are facing. One more challenge is the people who are joining the courses. Okay, the people who are joining the courses. Before you join, you are having a lot of interest. Okay, a lot of interest. I'm not sure what will go wrong. Okay, and same interest you are not putting all the signing it completes, or until you got placed. Until you got placed. Until you got placed, you are not keeping your interest. Okay, where is your interest? So what are the things you are going to learn here? So for example, no trainer will train you 100%. That I'm promising you, including AzureSQLChamp, including Subbu. Okay, no one will train 100%. Don't trust anyone if they are training 100%. Any technology, that can be any technology. It's not like a graduation or BTech, sir. You have on a textbook. They will start teaching from the day one to year ending. So whole year they will take to train the 7 to 8 chapters, 7 to 8 concepts in one technology. It can be physics, it can be chemistry. They're taking almost 1 year to train. And here, if you go for a technology, Java is like a ocean. Python, C, C++, okay, SQL Server, Microsoft, .NETs, okay, these are all the oceans, okay, and we don't have that much time to train you. If Azure SQL Champ is saying that we'll train SQL Server DBA for 6 months, no one will join, sir. Everyone wants the short and sweet training period. So how you will get the 100% content? How you will get the 100% content? That's make a question mark by yourself. You don't want to talk to anyone. Make a question mark. So every trainer is training 60 to 70 or 70 to 75%, 80% trainings. Rest of the 20%, you need to start gathering the information. Okay, you should go to the social media. You should go to the engine search. So Google engine search. You should find it. You should prepare it by yourself. That is not happening. That is also one of the biggest problem every people are facing. One more. Okay, I'm addressing the challenges first. Okay, one more. Okay, you completed graduation. You 1 year. You just roam here and there, and you chosen one technology. Why can't you go and prepare a notes? Okay, like very simple. Like how I'm just taking example. Forget about I'm training all the stuff. This is my search. This is my content. Okay, it's very difficult you to remember everything. You may forget after 6 months, after 1 year. Okay, why can't you start preparing the content from the day one? Okay, tomorrow Subbu is going to teach SQL Server DBA architecture, SQL Server architecture. Why can't I go and search in the Google and okay, let's ask the questions tomorrow. Okay, I'm not understanding this one. I'm understanding here. So that thing many students are not doing. They just want the job. They don't want technology. They don't want subject. No one. Okay, no one, sir. Nothing here. Okay, hide and seek here. No one is preparing the material. No one is preparing the material. This is your stuff. Whatever you are learning, whatever you understand, you are presenting here in the your understanding way. So whenever I see this content, I can easily understand. Okay, this is related to replication. I mention all this stuff. When I go for here, okay, this is related to always on. When I go here, this is related to end of life. Okay. When I go here, this is related to CPU, how I need to, what are the queries, all the stuff. This is completely my understanding, my notes. Okay. So that is not at all anyone is doing. Okay. Random learning. Randomly you are learning something. So many people are learning random. Okay, today you learn something, one concept, tomorrow you forget that one, you will go for one more concept. You are having almost 24 hours time. The people who are starting your journey, out of 24 hours, forget about 12 hours. Again, 12 hours you are not spending. What you are spending for 12 hours, sir? If you spend a 12 hours on a technology, okay, definitely you will become expert in any technology, not SQL. I'm not talking about SQL Server. You will become expert. But none of the people, 90 to 99% people are not doing the stuff. Only 1%, I'm not sure. Very rare case that people will start from the scratch. Oh, you are learning something. Why can't, whatever you learn, whatever you search, why can't you prepare a notes? This is for your future reference, right? Agree, everyone? No, you can unmute, sir, today. It's a general talk, okay? I don't, I
Yes.
don't,
Yes, sir, agree.
okay?
Yes. Uh,
Of course, you are busy. I can understand the people who are experienced. Okay, you are busy. Of course, I'm also working. Uh, I have a lot of other work as well. But still, I thought, still I need to learn something. Still, I need to learn something. I got stable in the market. Okay, uh, but still somewhere I thought that okay, I need to learn something. I need to prepare something. I need to deliver my students something new. Every batch I will try to bring something new. Why can't you do that stuff? Why can't you do that thing by yourself? So just make a question by yourself. You don't want uh, ask anyone. You don't want try anything. Everyone knows English. Okay, who will fit in the IT industries means the people who knows the English, but not fluent English. I mean to say, at least you can supposed to understand what is the content you are reading, what is the content you search, what is the content you are reading, and how to deliver that content to the your friends or your colleagues or someone who is raising this question. How to deliver, that's a one thing everyone we are missing, including myself as well. We are missing that stuff. Okay, so start preparing the notes first. I mean to say notes. Don't copy and paste it, sir. Okay, uh, again I mean to say, you should not copy and paste. Okay, so for example, this is the I want to train about why parameter sniffing. Okay, there is a concept, very very important concept. Then I just started looking almost to 20 to 25, 50 websites, 50 blogs, not website, 50 blogs, to gather what else I can train, what else I can train. Then I found a best scripts, I can first best content, okay, and easily I can deliver. So whatever the blogs I find that this is the best, then I just put as my reference. I don't want again go to the Google and search because it will again waste my time. So whatever the concepts if I wanted to deliver, kept I just Google, I just find the blogs and just keep it. It will save my time in the future training classes. Okay, I don't want again go and again because every time we may forget something. So every time if I go and search in Google, it's very difficult. So one thing, bookmarks are very important. Okay, I mean to say bookmarks are very important. One more is prepare the contents. Okay, So start preparing the notes, content in the sense, start preparing the notes. So bookmarks, I will share this bookmarks. So previous batch students asked that your bookmarks are good. Okay, can you please share that bookmarks? Okay, I will share this bookmark links. You can just export this one. You will be there, but sometimes you will find a lot of stuff, sir. Okay, you need to refine it. Okay, I thought that I may miss something. Then I just bookmark everything. If I find something new, interesting, I will bookmark. Will I learn all this stuff? May or may not, sir. But I will bookmark it. Okay. If I get a time, if I'm trying something, I want to deliver something new. If I get a time, definitely I will look all the blogs, whatever the blogs. Then I will start refining the blogs as well. So that is what I'm expecting from you, sir. Make that as a habit from today onwards. If you're not started, one is notes, okay, one is notes, one is the bookmarks, okay, and one is the repository. One is GitHub repository. GitHub is a public repository. If you're having Gmail, you can go and register the GitHub. Just provide your email address and password. You will open the GitHub and you can create the repository. Okay, you can go to the repositories and you can create the folder. Okay, and you can start uh, using that folder. Okay, you can deploy the scripts, all the stuff. Okay, you can just add the file. Okay, then you can paste whatever the content you want and you can keep the file name and you can just commit and you can just commit it. That's it, done. Okay, this is the public repository you can use throughout the global. Even you are working on any organization, again, if you get a chance to work in organization, you need scripts, sir. Okay, you are not a developer to design the queries. Okay, so for example, backup related, always on related, performance related, blocking related. Okay, you need to find the scripts. So that scripts you are keeping here. What are the scripts you will use on day-to-day basis? You will update everything here. Okay, indexes, log backup. See, whatever you are learning, whatever you search and you find that okay, this script is very good, where I'm getting whatever I'm expecting, then better you can save that one. You won't miss that script, right? Yes, no. Okay, like saying I prepare daily usage scripts, means day to day I won't use all the scripts. Day to day I will use only couple of scripts. So I place that in one location. Mostly I will use these scripts. Rest of the time, whenever I need, I will go for any one of the scripts, but mostly I will use my daily scripts. So this is the second thing. One is the running notes, one is the script repository. To make your job so easier whenever you get a chance. Whenever you get a chance, it will make so easy if you done these two activities. One is bookmarks, one is notes. Whatever the content you can prepare, sir. Content is very important because this is my content, this is my understanding. So for example, if I want to deliver Postgres, uh, what I done so far means, see, whenever you get a chance, okay, to work in the real world, right? So for example, today, February 23rd, what are the tickets I got it, and what are the tickets I worked. For example, I will do, right? I will make that one also in the running notes. So I prepared, okay, this is Feb 23rd, 26th, 27th, 29th. So I worked on 23rd. So what are the tickets I worked? Only one ticket I worked, that is disk space issue. On 26th, I worked with the uh, show plan permission. One is with the job failure, integrated job failure. One is with the again one more job failure. So 27th, what jobs I worked. So means whatever the tickets I worked, I will update here. This is my future reference. Okay. Mostly we will get the repeated tickets. Mostly we will get the repeated tickets. Mostly we'll get the repeated tickets, right? So you won't again do the same level of thing. Okay, you already returned something, you already investigated, you can go and check it. Okay, this is for your future references as well. What are the tickets, and what are the RCA ticket we worked, and what are the P1 tickets we worked. So everything will make like a notes. One, you can add one tab, and you can start making this from the day one when you start journey. Okay, as a DBA, forget about others, sir. We no need to we no need to worry about others. How you are falling is very important. So you need to work only for 8 hours. You got a chance, you need to work for 8 hours. Just work for 8 hours. If someone is asking work for more than 10 hours, 11 hours, 12 hours, straight away you can say, if you're a real genuine employee, we can straight away that you are paying for any amount for us. Okay, will you pay additional amount? One day, okay. 2 days is okay, because maybe on urgency I can work. But every day, no, sir. No. Why? Why we need to work additionally? You are getting any additional pay. Okay, self-respect is also very important. Always, you need to have some self-respect. Even you are working in the organization. Okay, please maintain that self-respect. Okay, this is about the general uh, talk. So what we are doing basically, you want a job, but you don't want subject. Many people, sir, whoever reaching to me, okay, many people, they want job, they don't want subject. I'm not sure how they can sustain once you got the job. I don't know how you can work, sir, once you got a place without knowing anything. They don't know. After completion of the training also, they don't know how to open SSMS. They don't know how to install SQL Server. Okay, but they want job. I literally unaware that how you can work. And everyone will come to us and they will say, hey, I'm not getting a call. I'm not getting a call. No one is asking how I can learn the subject. Now you are not getting the calls. Market is dry and you are not getting a call. This is a very good time to learn. But no one, okay, 70 to 80% people are not putting your efforts to learn whenever you are not getting a call. Once calls get started, you won't get a time to learn, because continuously consultancy people will call you and they are going to disturb you, and you want to attend the interviews. Okay, how you can attend the interviews without knowing the subject? Is I'm saying any wrong? Is it right? If your market is very dull, okay, there is no calls,
Right.
why can't you spend that time to learn? Why you want the jobs are without subject? My question is, what you will do if you get a job? You don't know anything about SQL Server or Java or Python or artificial intelligence or machine level language or data engineer or data analytics. You don't know anything the subject, but you want the job. What you will do if you get a job? It's very hot cake, sir. Once you go into the market, once you got placed into the project, okay, it will be hot cake. You will be overstressed. Someone will come you and someone may ask different varieties of question. You don't know what they are asking. Firstly, forget about what you need to do. Forget about what you need to do. You can't understand what they are asking. What you will do, sir? Nothing. After 1 day, 2 days, you will get panic like anything, and you will quit the job. Again, you will come back. Why? That is a one thing I just wanted to highlight. If you are not getting the calls, That is one of the fantastic time God given to you to prepare. But no one is utilizing that one. Everyone is enjoying. Okay, they are feeling that this is a honeymoon time. Let's enjoy. Let's just enjoy. We don't want anything. After the honeymoon will start, sir, basically, in technically speaking. After the honeymoon, the actual real story will start. You are having a dependencies, okay, and the cost will be vary, dependencies will be vary. So once you got placed, okay, you need to go to the premises, IT premises, and you need to enter into the ODC. You will get panic like anything before you enter into the ODC. Means once you enter into the ODC, okay, 50 to 100 people will sitting in front of you, but you don't know how to speak. You don't know who will come to you. You don't know what they will ask you. You don't know what you need to do. Job is not your first preference. Subject is your first preference, sir. From my point of view, from Azure SQL point of view, because I struggle a lot. That's what now AzureSQLChamp is standing for the students. Okay, I'm not saying that I'm delivering 100%, but I'm delivering 75 to 80%. Honestly, no one will deliver 100%, sir, within span of 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. But even we are educating the students. Okay, what do you prepare? They spend almost 1 month, 1.5 month, 2 months, 3 months. They don't know how to install SQL Server. They don't know how to open Configuration Manager. They don't know how to connect to SSMS in a different way. But they just wanted to look the job. I don't know what information they will pass to the parents. Okay. Parents will think that, okay, my son is preparing, my daughter is preparing very well. But luckily, he find one trainer, but he not able to place him. But they don't know his son or doctor is having the issue. They are not spending more time on learning. They just want the job. I can give you one example, sir. 1 year ago, I think one of my hometown itself, one father and son came to me and they asked, "So my son is not having the job. Will you place him within span of 1 month? My training itself is going for 3 months. How I can place him within 1 month?" I told, "No, my training will go for 3 months. I can't place within 1 month." And son is also rotating like a father. Whatever father is saying, son is also accepting. Then what you learned, sir, so far? Till graduation you completed, you are having a matured mind. Okay, that's it. I wanted to go for a little technical. I don't want to distract all this stuff. Okay, that's one thing, sir. Sit at one peace place, close your eyes, and you can think that what you learned so far. What you learned so far? Zero, sir. Zero. That's the biggest problem for us. Why we are not getting the job? We are the negative, not IT industry. Not IT industry. We are the only the problem. We bring the AI into the market. We bring the AI into the no, AI is not into the market, so we actually, because you got selected for one project. Okay, you got selected and you went to the project by taking someone help or some support or something happened. You got the project, you went to the market and you started taking the KT. Okay, they provided 1 month, 2 months KT. And you're not understanding in the KT, you're not asking proper questions, you overstressed. Okay, then you will quit the job. Okay, one organization spend some amount, spend some time for you, and you are just simply quitting the job. Just simply quit the job. Again, they need to find the person Again, they need to spend the time. Again, they need to spend the amount. Assume you are having organization. For example, you are having organization. If we are doing same thing for you, how you felt? Now same thing is happening in the industry. So assume you are having an organization and the people are you are recruiting after your training period completed, everyone quit the job. Gone. Again, they need to do from the scratch. And they need to update the client also. They need to update the client. Then definitely client will get frustrated. Hey, how many times I need to give the KT? How many people I need to give the KT? There, the AI start into the picture. Okay, why AI is now ruling the world means we only actually, we are the minus. That is the biggest problem. Okay, you got a better job. Now one organization is giving 30 lakhs per annum. Okay, and one more organization is giving 35 lakhs per annum. You are preferring the money. You are not preferring the project. Everyone is preferring the money, not project. So for example, 35 lakhs project. Okay, that project is very simple. No work, nothing there to learn. But whoever offering 30 lakhs, very good project, very good technologies they are using. Okay, very good technology they are using. And we don't know about that project. Okay, we are not asking the project. We are having, hey, how much salary you will offer? Oh, 30 lakhs. Oh, how much you will offer? 35 lakhs. Okay, we are not asking what project it is, what is the team size, what are the technologies, what I can learn if I choose in your company. If I choose your company, what I will learn and what sort of efforts I can put so that we can grow together. We are not asking. That is also one of the biggest problem now. Because to shortlist your profile, they took almost 1 to 2 months because they need to take the first round, second round, final round, and you need to serve your notice period. So definitely it will go for 2 to 3 months. They waited for 2 to 3 months. On and suddenly you are saying that I am not joining your company, your organization. And again, they need to start from scratch. Okay, you should be think like if you are there in their position, how you can think, what sort of difficulties, then you will realize are all the IT industries people. Okay, so it means I am not blaming us, sir, us, including me as well. Okay, but why AI is ruling the world in the 2025 is we we are the reason. Okay, we only bring the AI into the market. Now we are facing the challenges. Many people will ask, will AI will affect the DBA jobs? Will AI will affect the developer jobs? Definitely, I mean to say, definitely. Okay, but DPS no, sir, not that much effect. But when you compare with the developers, other technologies, DBS are very less will affect, like 10 to 15% definitely will affect. Okay, that's about the talk. Now going to the technical side. Okay, now you are learning. Before I go into the technical, everyone clear? Not clear? I not talk anything technical, nothing personal here.
Very,
Okay,
very clear. Okay, everything is all right.
yeah. Now when you go to the now when you go to the technical level, okay, now you chosen one technology, sir. Forget about SQL. I'm not talking. You chosen one technology. You find the people who are training like AzureSQLChamp or someone. Okay, you find the trainer in the social media, in the YouTube channel or LinkedIn, and you will reach them. They will tell many things. Okay, they will tell many things, and maybe you impressed a lot and you joined. Okay, they will start training. They will start, okay, what is a Tableau, what is a Power BI, that one, this one. Finally, they will tell, okay, your job is got completed, all the stuff. Okay. But when you go to the reality, the challenge is whatever you learn for 1 or 2 months, when you go to the reality, quite opposite. Quite opposite. Very quite opposite will happen, sir. Now, first you should understand what is the reality. What you are learning, what is the reality. Okay, that's what I wanted to deliver today, sir. That is the main agenda today. What you wanted to learn, what you wanted to know once I got placed means, see, as a DBA, I will talk only on DBA, sir. Basically, once you got selected, once you put your profile in the job portals, once first round got completed, second round got completed, HR round got completed, you will placed, and you are having 20 days or 30 days or 6 months or 2 months or 3 months notice period. You need to serve the notice period. You got selected, and once you enter into the project, okay, once you enter into the project, as a DBA, you should understand some terminologies. What is that means? You should call it as a shifts. Okay, shifts. So generally we are having 3 shifts. Okay, 3 shifts. You are not a developer, sir. You are a DPS. Okay, you are having basically 3 shifts. Luckily, you will also find 1 shift only. Okay, some projects will support only 1 shift. Like me, I'm having only 1 shift. Okay, I don't have any night shifts. I don't have any morning shifts. I'm having one general shift. Many of our students is also having the general shifts. Luckily, they got luckily. You are having 3 shifts. Okay, one is morning, afternoon, night. Night shifts. Okay, morning shift will start with 6 a.m. to almost it will go for 2:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, so this shift will start with 1:30 p.m. or 2 p.m. to it will go for 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. So you need to work for 8 hours only, 1 hour grace time, sir. Your lunch, your breakfast, all the stuff, 1 hour, 8 hours, 9 hours totally. As the industry standard, 9 hours. Some people will go for 9 hours, 15 minutes. Some people will go for 9 hours, 30 minutes in India. No, I'm not talking about out of India. In India, some organizations are very stupid. They need to tell us to spend more time, but then they will give same salary for us. Okay, I don't know why. And the organization is telling we need to work for 12 hours, 14 hours. They are not telling 24 hours to work in the industry. If we are working for 8 hours only, we are going mad. Okay. Night shifts will start at 10, 9:30 to 10 o'clock. Okay. And it will go for 6 a.m. in the morning. So generally your shifts will have 3 shifts. Okay. And you will go for rotational shifts. Means, for example, in this month, if you work for 2 weeks night shifts, again, is your preferable, sir, which shifts you need to. You can talk to your leads, and you can talk to when you are preparing the roster. Okay, technically, you should call it as a rosters. They will prepare one roster, which shifts you are going to support for next month. Okay, 1 week before only they will prepare the roster first. So you need to go to the people who are preparing the roster and tell that, hey, can you change swap my shifts, because in this week I'm having some personal work. Okay, uh, like that you can swap it. Okay, you are having a lot of flexibilities, but some people, while the preparing the rosters, they will show the partialities. I can accept that one. Okay, I don't know. That's a human psychology, sir. I don't want to go into that much. You can go and ask. They will definitely swap the your shifts accordingly, and you need to work on Saturday, Sunday as well. Okay, you will definitely get a chance to work on Saturday, Sunday, but only 5 weeks for a day, week, not month. 5 weeks only. Okay, in this month you are working for Saturday, Sunday. Next month you won't work Saturday, Sunday, sir. You will get alternative days. You will get alternative days. So they will swap the Saturday, Sundays also. If they are keeping every Saturday, Sunday, go and fight with them. The people who are preparing the roster. Why you are giving Saturday, Sunday, every Saturday, Sunday to me? Other people also working, right? When you will fight means if you are good at technical. Again, I'm repeating, sir. Why I told first that you need to become strong in technical. You need to become strong in technical means if you're strong in technical, I can go and fight with the people who are preparing the roster. Hey, why you are giving Saturday, Sunday every month to me? The rest of the people are not working in the organization. They are not taking the salaries. Why? Let's talk with the team lead. We'll go and talk to the team lead. We'll go and talk to our project manager. Is there any partiality to give me Saturday, Sunday, only Saturday, Sunday every month to me? Then definitely he will address. If you don't have technical, you never raise your voice, and they will treat like you as a slaves. Okay, many organizations. Please, sir, you should be strong in technical. Then I can fight. I can straight away go to the people. Hey, Naveen, why you are preparing the roster every time night shift to me, every day Saturday and Sunday to me? Why others? Why you are giving? So change my roster. I won't support Saturday and Sunday. I won't support everyday night shifts. Why I need to? It will impact my life cycle. It will impact my life cycle. I need to balance. Okay, your health is also very important, sir. Not only money. Your health is also very important. Okay, so if you're strong in subject, you can fight the people when they are preparing the roster misbehavingly. That's what I can say. So one, you need technical. Okay, next. Everyone clear, sir, about the rosters? Why I'm telling that you need to again you can unmute, sir. Again, it's a general talk. Why only me? Everyone, raise your voice. Is it clear, right?
Yes,
Yes,
it is clear.
yeah.
If you don't have technical, will you go and talk to that roster, whoever preparing? Will you go and talk
Definitely no.
confidently with the team lead? No, sir.
No,
So,
no.
so while preparing roster, okay, preparing the rosters, you need technical. I don't mean English, sir. Here, English doesn't matter. Okay, you can deliver whatever you want. But if you're strong at technical, definitely your team lead, hey, he's very good at technical. If you lost that person, definitely it will impact entire project. Okay, now this is the first thing, roster. Second, every shift will start with the SHO call, shift handover call. Okay, every shift will start with the SHO call, shift handover call. Okay, once you logged in, okay, 30 minutes, 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour, they will schedule a call. Every shift, sir, shift to shift, they will prepare the SSO meetings. Okay, they will prepare the Excel sheet. They will prepare the what notes. We don't know what is the approach they will follow, but they will prepare some notes. Okay. Now, for example, you are in the morning shift. The people who are in the night, what they will deliver in the SHO call means how many tickets they received in the night shift, how many tickets they resolved in the night shift, how many tickets they are handovering to your shift, morning shift people, because they got one ticket. No one is up, no application team is available, and they want some information from the application team before they proceed. So they will hand out that ticket to the morning shift people. Here the main problem will start, sir. Again, I'm repeating, SHO is the most dangerous stuff. What many people will do, right? They will take small tickets, medium tickets, and they will handle all the critical tickets to you people. Definitely, sir. I'm promising you, I'm betting you. Okay. The people, smart people, what they will do, they will take the small tickets. See, they wanted to project in front of team leads, in front of project manager. Oh, I worked 10 tickets over the night, but all the 10 tickets they can work within 30 minutes. What about 7 hours 30 minutes? What they are doing? They are sleeping. But the team lead is not searching this one. Team lead is checking that, oh, night shift people work for 10 tickets. Very well. Then morning shift people, they work only for 5 tickets. Then they will, why you are working only 5 tickets? But each ticket will take 1 hour. So you work for 5 hours. Some tickets will take more time. Here the major problem will start. So when you are taking the SHO, you need to raise your voice. Like now I am delivering the content. Everyone is so silent now. Okay, assume this is a SSO call. I am delivering one ticket. You need to ask, hey, why you not address this ticket over the night? When you got the ticket, why you not address the ticket? Again, sir, always be polite. Don't rudely address all the stuff, sir. Always behave like a polite DBS. Okay, raise your voice. I'm not telling you should not raise your voice. Rise, but rise in a proper way. They should not hurt. Okay. Again, some people is the most egoist persons. Every project, at least you will get one person, most egoist person. Okay, don't touch them. Please, sir, if you want to work your job very smoothly, okay, very smoothly, don't touch them, leave them. Their behavior is that only. Their behavior is that only. We can't change them. We can't do anything them. Okay, because they don't know the subject, but they will be ego. I don't know why the industry will keep them into the market. I can give you one best example. One of our student, I placed him one of the organization. His team member will behave very misbehaviously. Okay, very misbehaviously, and our student, not my student, our student is complained me after he got placed. He's making very nuisance, sir. He's not teaching, he's not giving the training, he's not telling anything, he's not supportive. But I told, be little patience. Learn slowly, no worries, stable. Now, our student is leading the project. He is in the side. They revoked everything permission because he is also supporting MongoDB. Our student doesn't know MongoDB. That is the only one reason they still placed him. Okay. Everyone able to hear me?
Yes, I can get you.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. See,
Yes.
so that you will face definitely this kind of challenges, sir. Okay. When you are attending SHO meetings, definitely you should be strong in technical. Okay. So,
So
for example,
how can we be strong in technical?
So,
for
sorry, I
example,
have a question. I have a question about this technical you're talking about. What can you specify what you mean by technical? Are you talking about troubleshooting skills or the main DBA expertise?
see, basically what you mean by technical means, for example, in my shift, assume I'm in night shift. Okay. I got a ticket saying that always on availability groups unhealthy. Always on availability groups unhealthy. I got the ticket at midnight 12 a.m. Okay, my shift ended at 6 a.m. I got ticket at 12 a.m. midnight. Okay, almost 6 hours is there. Okay, I don't know how to troubleshoot this one, and this is a P1 ticket. This is a P1 ticket. I don't know how to troubleshoot, and no one is there. Assume no one is there, and you done something that leads again one more issue. Okay, you done something. I done something. For example, I. Okay, I done something that leads again one more issue. Okay, forget about other issue, main issue. It leads one more issue. Now, he's handovering to you. He's handovering to you. Now he's just handovering, hey, I got a ticket at 12 a.m. Okay. And I researched something and I couldn't find anything. In the morning, team lead will come. Okay. Subject matter will, SMEs will come. Will you talk to them? I just passing this information. I am assigning the ticket to your name and I'm leaving. But what I done, what I done, I not presented to you, right? Agree, not agree. And you are picking the ticket. You are just simply picking the ticket. When you go into the server, after picking the ticket, when you go into the server, you are seeing something. Whatever he delivered, whatever you are seeing something different. Now, before you pick the ticket, why can't you ask him, hey, can you share your screen? Can you show me what you've done? If you're not technically strong, you won't raise this voice, right? Krish or the people, I hope you are getting. I don't want
Yes.
troubleshooting skills, sir. Forget about troubleshooting skills. Whatever he is displaying, whatever he is displaying, whatever he is transferring, the information, at least you should understand that stuff, right? Forget about how you will take that challenge, how you will take that issue, how you will think that issue to resolve. First, what is delivering, you should understand, right? Yes? No?
Yes.
Yes. That is what I want, sir. Forget about troubleshooting. That anyhow we will do, because when you start reading the logs, error messages, uh, collecting, we will go and search in the Google engine. You will find something. Definitely, you have previous experience. You are having previous knowledge. Definitely, you will put something to resolve that issue as quickly as possible. Assume I don't know anything. I pick the ticket. I done something. I mess up everything, and I'm handovering to you. Okay. Unfortunately, SQL not collected the logs. Whatever I mess up, I am lucky, but everything falls under you only, right? Then now you are the one person who need to responsible. Then what I will do? I hand over to the Krish. Okay, I hand over to the ticket to the Krish. Okay, my job is done. I left for the day. Now, when you connect to the server, whatever you got the transfer and whatever you are seeing, everything is quite opposite. Now, before you took the ticket, why can't you connect to the server? Hey, hold on, hold a second, Subbu. Let me connect to the server. Let me see where the issue is standing. Okay, then you identify something. Hey, this ticket is related to log file issue, but I could see that age is not healthy. What you done so far? Then you can raise a question. Then definitely Subbu will caught. Correct? Agree, not agree?
Yes.
That
Agree.
you people are not doing.
Yes.
That you people are not doing, and you are keeping over stress. I can give you one simple example, sir. One of our student who is in Saudi Arabia. I don't want to reveal the name. He called me at midnight, uh, 12 a.m. He called me. Since 8 hours, the database is down. One of the availability group database is down, and he is getting nervous. He's getting very tense. I told him, hey, don't get nervous. What was the issue first? Okay. And I promise you people also, right? You can call me when you are having that much stress. Don't keep that much stress on your head. You can call me anytime. Okay. He called me, and luckily that issue got resolved within 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, I resolved the issue. Okay. Then I told him, okay, no worries, drop an email, go for good sleep. Come back to me tomorrow. Let's see what you've done so far. How you need to think. Then he's the happiest person on that day, because
So
he,
so if do we need to also like to document each time we resolve an issue, we need to document how we resolve the issue?
Yes, sir. That's what I wanted to say. That's what I'm doing so far. Okay. Every day, every ticket, whatever I worked, I will prepare the notes. Whatever I'm doing, I'm just making here notes, sir. Whatever the links I'm following, I will make notes here. Whatever I'm doing, I will make notes. Nothing wrong, right? It will just take 2 to 3 minutes. Will anything will impact to prepare the notes? No,
No.
right? Yeah, that's
No.
it. So if you, I hope you understand about the technical. I mean to say technical. I don't want troubleshooting skills, sir. Okay, forget about troubleshooting skills. First, you need to analyze what was the issue. You need to understand what was the issue. What is the issue actually? Sometimes users will come that, hey, I'm not able to connect to SQL Server. Sometimes users will come that I'm able to connect, but I'm running the query. That query is running slow. Sometimes application team will come that entire my application is slow. Okay, and regularly will get the regular tickets whatever you are getting. We are having. We'll talk that stuff in a while. So SHO call is also very important. While you are taking SHO call, if it is that is P1 ticket you are taking, if that is a P1 ticket you are taking, check before Subbu will leave the shift. Check before Subbu leave the shift and ask, raise the questions, take more inputs and document that inputs. Okay, for your future reference purpose, because everything you should be documented, sir, in real world for your future reference purpose. Okay, so properly you need to take the SSO calls, handovers, and properly you need to give the handovers. Many people, sir, I can take me as example. When I got selected for Mindtree, okay, for Microsoft client, you won't trust me. I got 30 minutes KT. I got 30 minutes KT. I don't know how to open the ticketing system. I'm having almost 4 years of experience, okay, in the industry. I am very good at SQL that time. I got a luckily one good project. I learned a lot of stuff within span of 2 to 3 years. I learned lot. I learned lots, sir, actually, and I got selected for Microsoft client. I wantedly went for Microsoft client to see how they worked, how they learned. Luckily, but I felt same time the COVID has been started, and I got KT for 30 minutes. I don't know how to open the ticketing system, their ticketing system, and I don't know how to update the tickets. I don't know how to reach to the customers. Okay, literally. And luckily, unluckily, I came to my hometown. I don't have that much bandwidth that time in my hometown. It's a small village. Okay, and no one helped me actually. I struggled for 1.5 months to understand what I'm not worrying about technical. I'm worrying about the process because I need to update the tickets. I need to close the tickets. I need to create the collaborations. I need to create the tasks. I need to create the cases. I literally don't know how much KT you will get for 30, that to 30 minutes, 20 minutes only they provided and 10 minutes general talk only. And I pinged many people in my team member almost having 20 DBS. I pinged many people. No one helped me. Okay, chalo, no worries. And one guy, he got the ticket. He don't know how to resolve the ticket. It is a TLS issue. And he assigned to me after 15 days. I don't know after 15 days, if I'm assigning ticket back to the Active Directory team, Windows team, they won't pick the ticket. They won't pick the case. They will tell create the task. If you're creating the task, they won't work. You won't trust me. That case went for 345 days. When I started my journey, I got that case. When I'm leaving the organization, still the case is open. 345 days, one ticket I hold by one small miscommunication within my team itself. They literally don't tell me, or I don't know why they assign case to me, and I assign back to him. Okay, once he back from vacation, I assign back to him, but he is assigning again case to me. I don't know whom I need to tell, because that time my team lead is asking questions to me, how to survey, what I need to do, then what I can. I hope you are understanding. And
Yes.
later on, my project manager, my team lead is asking, why Subbu you hold this case for 300 days? That is very biggest negative on me only, right? Then I told same thing. This is not my case. Okay, this is him. He assigned to me. I assigned back to him. He's not picking the case. Then I just put in my name. I created the task to the Active Directory team, to the Windows team. They are not at all responding. I done multiple follow-ups. They are not responding, because that Active Directory and Windows is handled by the SCL organization. SCL is organization, and they are handling, and they are not responding. What I can do? Even I escalated. I involved the team lead as well. Not responding. See, that will happen if you're just simply rotating. So you need to be good at technical. Technical in the sense, not a SQL, sir. Process. You should become a strong in process. Okay, if you're getting a ticket, so if I'm going for vacation for 15 days, whatever the tickets on my name, I will assign to I will distribute all tickets to the team members, and I will clearly need to tell, okay, so please, I will be vacation for 15 days. Okay, I will distribute 2 tickets to John, 3 tickets to Chris, 3 tickets to 4 tickets to Charan. Okay, I will deliver all these. Okay, 2 tickets to Hema. I will deliver all my tickets, and I will tell to them, hey, once I back, I will assign this. Please assign tickets back to me. That is a good DBA. But some people will tell, they won't assign, they won't take it back once you back, sir. Assume out of 15 tickets, 8 tickets closed and 7 tickets are still pending. They will hide to take that 7 tickets. Many people. And that 7 tickets will fall under your name only. So tell them clearly when you are taking, when someone is handovering, yes, I can tell them what you need to smart DBS, right? Keep it your name only. Keep it your name. So I will monitor the ticket. No need to change to my name. But some people that I told you, right? Some ego people, they will go for ego. That's the problem will start, sir. You don't know. You know about politics, right? Politics are much better when you go to the IT industry. Politics are much better when you go to the IT industry. Far better, sir, politics when you go to the IT industry. Okay. So tell them clearly, keep with your name only. I will monitor your ticket. Okay. Straight
Yes.
away, no issue. Not at all issue, sir. They are not giving salary. You are already working hard work. I know you, if you're strong in now everything, sir. If you're good at SQL, everything you can handle. Everything you can handle, sir. Literally after 1.5 month, okay, after 1.5 month in Mindray, I got strong in how to create the case, how to update the notes, how to contact the customers. I got all the loopholes. 1.5 month I struggled. After 1.5 month, everyone reached to Subbu. Whole team reached to Subbu to resolve the issues. Okay, because I'm good at SQL. So you need to understand the process. Okay, both are different, sir. Both are different. This I will make you strong. No worries, this I will make you strong. But this, If you know this one, you will become strong here. Okay, how to handle the people. You need to take a separate course on how to handle the people. Okay, how to
Yeah.
handle the people. You need to take a separate course. I am straight away. I'm telling this will go for public only. No worries. Okay. General politics are good when you compare with IT politics. Okay. Your managers are like that. Your team leads like that. Some colleagues also saying you can't change them, sir. You also need to be one politician that time, not a DBA. Okay.
Yes.
No. I struggle a lot. Okay. I know. In 4 years, a lot. Within 4 years, sir, I learned a lot. Without name, without a good name, without a hike, I worked for 2.5 years. One of the reputation company. Without name, sir. But entire my team love me. Entire my team hold until Subbu will come. No worries, Subbu is there. But except my team lead. I don't know why. I don't know why, actually. And when I just put the paper, he's asking me why. One of my friend, he's in Poland currently. Okay, myself and he worked for almost 5 years. He's in now Poland. I told him, don't give name for me. At least give to my friend. He's a very hard worker. He's a very hard worker. But he given the name and hike the people who is close to him. Means passing the information. Passing the information. He's taking information from you and passing to the team leads. I don't know. Come on, yeah. Literally, I got shocked. Then I thought, okay, it's not mistake. It's mistake by me only. I also need to be politician. Recently, you won't trust me. Recent 1.5 year ago, one guy passed all the information to my TL. He don't know. She literally don't know what is the concept. When I was in the meeting, and she's when someone is trying to me, one expertise in SQL. Actually, let me recall the name. And she don't know. And the guy who is passing the information, now she went to the UK. And rest of the whole my team quit the job. And one guy got selected in another company. One guy got selected one more company. I got selected one more company. See, all are too much technical. He don't know how to open SSMS with a different user. Now he is in UK. Smart guy. Literally smart guy. So that much politics will happen, sir. Please be aware. You can learn SQL. No worries. You are having 20 to 25 years you will work in IT industry. You can learn SQL anytime, sir. Okay? Learn the politics. Be careful. Be careful. Definitely they will steal your recognition. Definitely they will steal your hike. Definitely they will steal your knowledge. Okay? Hike, forget about, sir. Name is very important. I'm not worrying about. I'm just told to my team lead, hey, now you call me. What about 1.5 year? I ask. If you're not giving name to me, no worries. Why you want to give why the name preferred? I am the guy who is working closely with the team, right? I am handling whole Bangalore team. Whole Bangalore team is under my control. I know who is knowledgeable, who is not knowledgeable, who is working smart, who is not working smart. I know. I will pass the genuine information because I am a trainer. I need to think about each student ideology. I don't want to make like a politician. No, I explain same thing. But that day you not taken my words. It's okay. No worries. No worries. Now he got stable in Poland. Now what you are doing? Same organization you are working with, same salaries. I hope you are understanding.
Yes.
Technical is something different, sir. Knowledge is something different. Knowledge means you should know about SQL. Technical means how to handle your day. How to handle your day in the company.
People management.
Yes. Simple terms. Yes. Recently, I also got shocked. Literally, then I realized, okay, it's okay. It's okay. That is also one good learning. I will try to encourage the people. I told him when he is getting panic, because I am the first person who joined in that company. Okay. And the company office is less than, okay, our toilet room. Then I was the first employee to that organization. One more person joined, and second person is me. Then I encourage all the team people to join, because you will learn a lot of stuff. But I literally don't know, sir. Okay. So people management is very important. So I told you, right? SHO is very important. Roster is very important. Okay. Two things is done. Okay. Third thing. For example, you got a P1 ticket, sir. Okay. You got a P1. You got a P1 ticket. Okay. And you need some help. You need some help. You call to your SME. You call to Subbu, you call to SME, you call to team lead to get some help. And they told something. They told something. You implemented that thing, and you implemented something that went wrong. Unfortunately, that went wrong. Okay. That lead one more escalation, big escalation. In the morning, everyone will blame you only, not your team lead, not Subbu, not your SME, because you are address that issue. You are working in the issue since the issue started. Okay. And you went to your, again, after something happened, you call to your team lead, you call to SMA. Sometimes they will blame us only. Hey, I not do this one. I told something. Okay. Then you are gone. Literally, you are gone. So if your Subbu is saying something, SME is saying something, team lead is something, what you can do, drop an email only to your internal team. Remove all your clients application team emails, drop email. Hey, hi Naveen, hi Subbu, hi Subbu. Okay. Thanks for picking the call as part of this ticket. Okay. This is the challenge currently. As you informed to perform the below activity, I am proceeding this activity. I will let you know after the complete. Drop an email, then go for implementation. It won't take more time to implement to draft the emails. 2 to 3 minutes it will take. Draft the email. But when you are drafting, remove everyone, application team. You don't want to loop everyone. Loop only your team. Only your team. Okay, and draft an email, then try to implement. After implement something happen, okay, then you can take the screenshot and send to you again. Hey, hi Subbu. Hey, hi Subbu. As you suggested, I done something is happened. And call him. Hey, this is your documented proof. Okay. Now your manager will come into the picture. Now that leads very big escalation, and they reach out to our delivery manager. Delivery manager will reach out to the project manager. Then project manager will reach out to the SME or team leads. Then you can tell them, hey, hi, Subbu, you told something to perform. I perform same thing. This is what happened. I dropped the email as well. Okay, I tried to reach out. Unfortunately, you not pick the call. That's it. You are 60 to 70%. You are so safe. Okay, what do 60 to 70%? What is the 30%? Subbu means 30%. You are also DBA, right? You are the DBA. If someone is telling something before you implement, you should have the knowledge, right? What will happen if I do something? If I do that, yes or no? Agree, not agree? So 30% it will escalate on you also. Hey, he done something. He told something, but without knowing why you implemented. You are also DBA, right? You are also DBA. Why you implemented that one? Means you don't know SQL. You don't know how to troubleshoot that issue. Okay. Assume you reach the experienced people like me, like you only. For example, you are having 5 years experience. You reach any one of your colleague who is having 5 years experience. He suggested something. You done something. Okay. That will lead to an escalation. Biggest escalations. So before you perform anything, talk to your team leads, talk to your SME, get the confirmations, go and perform the action. Documented proof is very important. Okay, documented proof is very important. Always, okay, maintain notes. Okay, means emails, team charts. Okay, you no need to send email also, sir. What you can do, go to the teams. You will search for Subbu. You will get the number. Hi Subbu, thanks for the call. As you told over the call, we need to perform this activity. I am proceeding with this activity. I will let you know once complete. If your Subbu is not a ego person, you can go for email. If Subbu is a ego person, go for this team charts. Team charts is the best rather than drafting the email. Okay, sometimes if everything goes good, Subbu will take the credit. If something happened, Subbu can't take because it will go for minus on Subbu also, right? So it may negative on you, but because you drop the mail to the entire team, that went wrong. Okay, so go on chart in the teams like a documented proof. Is it clear? Third instruction, everyone? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, it's clear.
Yes.
Next. Okay, next. Sir, again, in a general, as a DBA, okay, in a general, uh, as a DBA, you will get the regular tickets, sir. Okay, we'll take a separate session on ITL process. What is a ticket? How to create the tickets? Everything we will talk, sir. No worries. Okay, in ITL process we'll talk. Okay, as a DBA, what is your roles and responsibility means? Okay, before you discuss about this one, there is one more thing, sir. Assume you are in the night shift. You are in the night shift. You are only one in the night shift. Okay, one of the critical production server went down, completely down. Okay, completely went down. You got one P1 ticket. Immediately they will engage you into the call. They will engage into the call. That call technically we are calling is a SWAT call. SWAT calls. Okay, they will engage into the SWAT calls. In that call, your application team will be there, developers will be there, Windows team will be there, network team will be there, end users, sometimes end users will also affected because we don't know how much critical this application is. Everyone will there, including you also. You. Then how you will handle the calls? Let's ask a question to everyone. How you will handle the call? You need, and everyone is on fire. Everyone is on fire because If this service is not coming, they are losing billions of dollars. Okay, that much massive critical application it is. That is down. And your team lead is not picking the call, your SME is not picking the call, any one of your colleagues is not picking the call, and you are only one person in the shift. And everyone is on fire. And Windows team is blaming DBA team. Network team is also blaming DBA team. Application team is also blaming a DBA team. Then what you will do, sir?
We may check with the support team, the Microsoft team. That's what we do, right? If you not have the on-time support, we need to check with the support team. We can raise a priority ticket.
Forget about support, all this stuff. How you will handle that, sir? I wanted to know how you will handle.
In the call you were asking, right?
Yes.
So we should not panic, and we need to update to them. We just give some time. We are checking on it, and we'll keep you updated in 10 to 15 minutes. Like that, we have to say. And in the meantime, whatever way is possible from our end, whatever they'll check, whatever thing we need to do, that we need to do. Parallelly, we need to arrange a support also.
Exactly. So in addition to that, first, don't get panic. No, don't get panic, sir. First thing, again, please that keep it in your mind. You should not get panic. If you should get panic, your brain doesn't work. You won't get any ideas. It doesn't work at all. You won't get any ideas. It doesn't work at all. So firstly, you should not get panic. Second thing, what you need to do is first get the information as quickly as possible, as much as possible. Because literally you are unaware of this concept. Okay? Because you haven't received any ticket. For example, take my example, sir. I will take one example. One of my critical server, his name is Mike Miller. If we get a mail from him itself, we will get panic. Entire team will get panic, including my team lead also will get panic, sir. If we get any mail from him, he is the one of the most escalation. He will straight away will escalate anything. Okay. One day, one of the his production server is down, and that is a Tableau server, reporting Tableau server. 10 years ago, the database size is 7.8 to 8 terabytes. It's a 10 years ago. Now the database size will be 15 terabytes, maybe now, sir. 10 years ago, the database size is 7.8 to 8 terabytes of database. What happened means, these application people, one of the most stupid application people, created a ticket to Windows team to increase the disk space. Actually, application team need to contact the DBA people to work all this kind of activities. So they not inform us. They itself decide to go to the Windows team. They create a ticket to Windows team. What that Windows team done is, by mistakenly, rather than expanding the disk, they deleted the disk. Entire G drive got deleted, and G drive holds complete our data, because all our master data files, log files all my master data files will be hosted on the G drive only. That G drive went down, and SQL went down. SQL services went down, G drive went down. Luckily, we don't have snapshot. Luckily, we don't have disk snapshot. Luckily, we don't have Windows snapshot. The stupid people, Windows team, forget to take the snapshot. Okay, and the backups are happening via Commvault backup tool, and we are having backups via Commvault. Before I take the backup, all this stuff, first I need to bring the SQL to online, right? Yes or no? First, I need to bring the SQL online. When I am bringing SQL online, SQL is throwing error. SQL is not coming online. SQL is not coming online, sir. And it is throwing a different errors. I will practically show you that errors also. I will practically show that error, sir, when I'm talking the corruption. When we are talking corruption, I will show you practically what is the challenge that day we faced and how I prepared the notes. Okay, how we prepared the notes also, I will practically present to you, sir. No worries. Uh, okay. This is what. Okay. This is what I not mention the error message here, but I will. No worries, sir. I will make this error message and how to resolve this one also. When I'm starting my SQL is shutdowning within fraction of seconds. Within fraction of seconds, my SQL is shutdowning. Starting, stopping, starting, stopping. Forget about restore. I need to bring databases, everything to healthy, right? Forget about that stuff, but at least I'm not able to bring the SQL to online. And it almost midnight, 3 a.m. And I was completely, everyone will be in the sleepy mode at 3 a.m. My sleep gone. Okay. My SME came into the picture at 5:30 a.m. all after 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours I tackled my application team without escalating on DBS. Because that is not my case. That is not issue on me. That is blind shot with application team only. That is blind shot with the Windows team. Why application team create a ticket to the Windows team? They need to inform DBS. We are the people, we know everything. Before we extending the disk, before we need to drop the disk, everything, we will take care all the pre-checks. That is not happen. Due to that only the outages happen. 3 a.m. we received the ticket. Next day, same day, 3 p.m. almost 12 hours we took to recover everything. Almost on that day, I worked for almost 17 to 18 hours. And 3 p.m. we bought the SQL to online with everything, data, everything. I will reproduce the issue, sir. Same thing. No worries. Okay. I will show you practically. So, for example, if you are be part of that SWAT call, how to handle, how you will handle, how you will handle, okay, handle team. This you need technical knowledge. Technical knowledge. If you don't know the SQL, you can't handle the SWAT calls. Okay, first 3 I told you process technical. Now here actual technical. I hope you are differentiating both. That is process. You should know the process. This you should know about the technical. Now you can tell, hey, upstream, because they will prepare MOM. Maybe you also need to prepare MOM. Minute to minute. Every minute to minute, you need to prepare the notes. Means when the issue started, 3.5, okay, production server down. 3.10, initiated the SWAT call. Okay, 3.15, Windows team trying to bring the disk. 3.20, 3.30, Windows team recovered the disk. Windows team attached the disk. Okay, 3.45, SQL team starting SQL. Okay, now we are working. So like this, they will prepare the notes when they initiate the SWAT call. Every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes, they will ask, hey, what you are doing? Hey, Subbu, what you are doing? Hey, Subbu, what you are doing? Come on, yeah, what I need to do? You already done everything. What I need to do then? Okay, let's give us. We are facing. So we'll tell. Okay, we copied the databases from the template folder, and when we are starting, SQL is throwing an error, and SQL is shutdowning in every 2 seconds. SQL is going to shut down. They will write everything. SQL team is investigating. Okay, now SQL team bring the SME into the call. SME, subject matter expert. Okay, they will mention everything into this MOM. So if you don't know the technical, you can't handle this tactics, sir. You won't trust me. After 3 p.m., I worked for almost, I started my shift before one day, 9:30 p.m. Okay, then I worked Next day, 3 p.m. My team lead said to me that, why you worked? Then I straight away tell, even SMEs also don't know how to troubleshoot. Straight away I told same thing, sir. Even SMEs also don't know. I troubleshooted this issue. Then he was quiet. And he given leave to me whole day. You can go and take rest. Literally, my SMEs also don't know how to troubleshoot that issue. I researched. Then finally, we brought the SQL to online. And we recover everything and we hand over. Because I am the manager for that application. I am the manager for the application. Of course, I'm having less experience. That time, I'm having only 2 years or 2.5 years experience. That time, I'm having only 2 years to 2.5 years experience. It's not easy to troubleshoot this issue, this kind of issues, this kind of challenges with that experience. So that I'm a little lucky. So I got all the challenges with less experience only. And of course, I took the challenge, sir. I can live by 6 a.m. I can hand over to my SME. I can hand over to any one of my team member. I can leave. Okay, it's okay. I won't sleep for next 5 to 6 hours. Nothing will happen to me, right? If I'm not sleeping for 5 to 6 hours, but I'm learning something. That is the challenge I took on that day. Okay. And that is how I took the challenges, sir. And I'm standing here. So why can't you? I not ask any one of the people all this stuff that day. I prepare myself. I research myself. I went for many blogs. This is almost 7 to 8 years ago story. I not even raise a case to the Microsoft also. I know how Microsoft will treat these issues. I don't want to tell in the public sessions, okay? But take these challenges, sir. How you are interested in learning a technology. Your interest, not my interest. You wanted to learn, sir. That's it. Forget about SMEs, forget about team leads, all the stuff. You wanted to learn. That's it. You need to learn. You don't have other choice. But many people are not doing. Unfortunately, I felt every day I will think, okay, I'm delivering this much stuff, but why you are not preparing? Getting my point, everyone? What you will do in this situation, sir? Will you handle the situation? It's very hard, right? Agree? Not agree, everyone? At least the on-site people, they can handle because they are good at communication. They can handle. Especially, we are lacking some communication. Okay, many people will lack. That is the biggest problem. We are lack. Of course, myself also will lack the communication. But I know that time. I know I'm good at technical. I handle the issue. So if you are good at technical knowledge, definitely you can handle the emergency calls, SWAT calls, all the stuff. Otherwise, no, sir. It's very hard to handle. Okay. You don't want to depend on someone. You are strong already, but you are not keeping interest. Okay. This is the one thing, sir. SWAT calls are very important. Now, in general, okay, I told in a sequence order only. So rosters will be prepared. Okay, anyone, maybe you also get a chance to prepare the rosters. I used to prepare the rosters, sir. Okay, and SHO calls, SWAT calls we discuss, and one more is on call. On calls. Okay. So nowadays, many people are using PagerDuty. PagerDuty. So they will, you are having a app in your mobile, PagerDuty app. They will integrate all the servers into the PagerDuty. It is keep monitoring. If it is any production server, you will get the P1 call. Okay. You need to configure the PagerDuty. I will let you know how to configure the PagerDuty. I will take the screenshot and I will project you how to configure the PagerDuty if you are using PagerDuty on your project, sir. Okay. First, you need to get a call. Within 5 minutes, you need to get a call. Okay. Next to 5 minutes, you need to provide one more alternative number to get a call. Okay. You also need to get an email. You need to get an email notification. Okay. You need to get a call to the main mobile number, whatever given by your company. And you need to provide one more alternative number in case if you're not, for example, you are on the party mode or vacation, you forget that you are on call. Okay. If you're not picking the call, nothing will happen, sir. What will happen is that will escalate. Okay, it will go to the next level. It will first call to you. If you're not picking, it will call to alternative number. If you're not picking, it will again call to this number. If you're not picking, then after 15th minute, it will escalate to the higher team. Who is on call? It will go to the team leads. Okay, leads. If team lead is also not picking, it will go to the delivery heads. Okay, that is how the will schedule the PagerDuty on calls. Okay, so please be careful. We should not disturb them. Okay, if you're on call, you should be little careful, sir. If you're on call, you need to carry your mobile even you are going for washroom. You should carry your mobile, sir. If you're going for washroom. Okay, don't plan any occasions if you're on call. Like today is my marriage day. I need to go to the temple where there is no signal. You should not plan any occasions you are on call. For example, you are on call. Okay, and you know you are planning something because that is your marriage anniversary or that is your baby function or something is there. Then go and talk to your team lead. Hey, can you swap this day? I don't want on call on this day. Okay, you can talk to any one of your colleagues. Okay, hey, Ganesh, will you take the on call on that day? Okay, I will take another day. Okay, I will take another day. You can swap the call. Please go and talk to your leads who are preparing on call sheets. Okay, tell them clearly you should not be on call. Okay, and when you are conferring on your mobile. Okay, when you are conferring on mobile, please be careful your mobile, sir, because all your authentications, PagerDuties, everything will be on your mobile. Don't simply change your mobiles because it's very difficult to divert again this authentication to new mobile. Okay, it's very difficult. So what you can do means, if your mostly your company will give mobiles, sir, ask them. Okay, are you providing any mobile to set up all these authentications, all these PagerDuties? Because I don't want to disturb my mobile. This is my personal mobile. Why I need to disturb my personal mobile? You should not disturb your personal mobile, sir, because you will give to your children's, you will give to your wives, children's, anyone. They can misuse, right? That will affect your career. Okay, ask them if that is very critical. Can you provide us mobile? We can register everything there. Why can't you raise your voice? Okay, if something happened, we are not responsible then. It's very difficult to hold the mobile hold until you work in that company. That is a company, sir. That is basic. Every organization need to think, hey, they are doing too many authentications. Why can't I deliver one mobile to them? Okay, that is a basic thing. Many organizations will do, some organizations won't do, sir. Again, you need to raise your voice if you're having good knowledge. Again, everything knowledge come into the picture before you raise your voice. Okay, so how to set up the PagerDuty? and you need to keep a different alarm for that PagerDuty, sir. Different ringtone, okay, for that, and raise the voice, okay, little voice. So that is a one thing. On call is also very important, sir. If you're on call, you need to carry your mobile, you need to carry your laptop wherever you are going. Okay, please be aware. This is very important. If you are having any on call, you need to carry your laptop. Okay, and signal need to be also good. Or please straight away go to your team leads, whoever preparing on call, tell them, don't keep on call today. I have some occasion, I'm planning occasion. Can you swap with someone? Okay, can swap with someone. Is it understandable, everyone? No? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, this is the one thing. I will share the information how to set up your Pagerduty, sir. Okay, the people who are starting the journey. Anyone using Pagerduty app? Anyone?
No.
Okay. So I will take the screenshot how I set up my Pagerduty, how you need to set up your Pagerduty, sir. And after on calls, SWAT calls, SHO meetings, and regularly you will get the Teams meeting. Okay, on regularly you will have weekly team meetings, weekly team meetings, and client meetings. We don't know about sometimes regularly client meetings. Otherwise, randomly we'll go for client meetings. So always try to prefer the Teams, Google Meet, okay, rather than going for mails. Okay, you got a ticket, so on the user is having some issue, and you want to ask him availability time. Rather than dropping email, why can't you ping him in the Teams? Hey, hi, John. Okay, hope you are doing well. I am reaching you regarding this ticket, whatever you created. Okay, will you please provide me your available time to have a short call to get some information? I done some pre-checks. SQL is running healthy. Services are healthy. Okay, but I need little more information to move on the troubleshooting. For the troubleshooting, can we have a call? Please provide me best suitable time. Why can't you ping in the Teams? Definitely, once John connected to office, he will respond to your mail. Okay, respond to your ping. Then go to the Teams call, schedule a meeting. Okay, schedule a meeting. Go into the call with the John. Schedule a meeting, sir. Don't simply call in the Teams. Schedule a meeting. That is also documented proof to your team lead. So if you're not scheduling a meeting and you are just simply going to the team and calling call, and you are not working for 30 minutes, right? Of course, you are not keeping anything. Some people, what they will do, right? They will maintain the calendar. Okay, you are having a portal. Okay, in this portal, you are having 8 hours. Okay, you are having 8 hours. What you are doing 8 hours, you need to update here. What you are doing 8 hours, you need to update here. Okay, you need to update here. So I am for this 9 to 9:30. I am talking about this ticket. So I will create a team meeting. Then that will update here automatically. Now, if someone is also looking, your team leads or your SME is looking, oh, Subhi is working on this ticket. He's having scheduled meeting. If you're not created any meeting, if you're simply going to the Teams call, your team lead, your SME think that Subhi is not doing for this 30 minutes. Agree? Not agree? Everyone? Yes or no?
Agree. Agree. Yes, sir.
So you need to adjust your calendars. You need to adjust your calendar if your project is tracking your work via calendars. Okay, my previous company is doing same thing, sir. Okay, so I know by seeing the ticket, I know, okay, this ticket will work for 30 minutes. This ticket will work for 40 minutes. This ticket can work for 1 hour. So what I will do, I will update my calendar based on my tickets. and I will also have some free time. I will keep some free time also. So once I log in 9 o'clock, so once I log in 9 o'clock, what I need to do is I need to dispatch the tickets. I am the dispatcher. Okay, myself is the dispatcher. So I will dispatch the tickets. So I know the ticket, how the ticket will, what is the ticket, how much time you will take in care the ticket. Okay, based on that I will dispatch. Okay, this ticket you need to work for 30 minutes. This ticket you need to work for 40 minutes. This ticket randomly I will place the tickets, and I will keep some space also, because next 1.5 hour you are busy. After 1.5 hour you are free. If you're getting any new tickets, okay, that tickets will fall under this queue, this free time. Okay, so update your lunch time, update your break time here properly. Okay, Subbu is going for lunch in between this time, so no one will disturb. Subbu is going for break for 15 minutes, tea break, so no one will disturb. So you need to adjust your calendar if your project is supporting calendar base. If you're not adjusting your calendar, what a dispatcher will do, I'm a dispatcher, what I will do, I will dispatch all the tickets. Oh, Gopi is free for all 8 hours. Okay, I will place. You already holding 10 tickets on your bucket. That tickets you not updated here because you are having 10 tickets, right? Once you logged in today, you need to follow up some tickets. You need to work on the tickets. So these 10 tickets also need to be reserved, right? Okay. So out of these 10 tickets, 5 tickets, 5 customers are saying that we will update in next week. Okay. Now these 5 tickets, you need to update the calendar for next week. So you need to go to the ticket and you need to update the ticket time to the next week, so on so time. Okay, only you need to take in care these 5 tickets, right? Remaining 5 tickets I will work here. I will place here. I will place here. I will place here. I will place here. For 15 minutes, for 15 minutes, for 15 minutes. Because these 5 tickets are just follow-up tickets. I don't want keep for 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. So always, whenever we see your calendar, it should be always healthy. Whenever we see your calendar as a dispatcher, I'm a dispatcher. Whenever I see your calendar, if you are maintaining your calendar healthy, then definitely we will impress that. Okay, Karthik is maintaining calendar very well. Hema is maintaining calendar very well. Pratap is maintaining calendar very well. For example, if you're not maintaining, Raja is not maintaining his calendar. Raju is not maintaining his calendar, or someone. What this is your 5 tickets or follow-up tickets, and you are keeping for 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. For 5 tickets, you are keeping 2.5 hours. 2 hours, 30 minutes you are keeping. Okay, that is also very bad habit. Then definitely I will raise a concern. Okay, I will raise a concern. Hey, hi Sagar, why 5 follow-up tickets you are spending for 2.5 hours? What you are doing? Okay, that is also very negative. Okay, please don't do that one. You know how much time you need to spend. Okay, for example, you are having 2 hours free time. Then what you can keep? Okay, that 2 hours you can spend some time on learning. Okay, so keep the 2 hours for learning and inform to the team. Every team you are having a group chat. Hey, in my calendar, 2 hours there is a free bucket. Okay, I am spending these 2 hours for learning something because I'm having free time. Okay, in case if you get any ticket, assign to me. I will work on the ticket. Why can't you update in the group chat like this? Of course, 99.9% no one is doing, including Subbu also, sir. Okay, me also including. We won't do. Okay, we won't do. Why can't you do that one? Okay, 2 hours is free time, and you are learning something. Either it can be always on, it can be clustered. You are referring some blogs, all that stuff. So why can't you update in the group chat? I'm going for some Udemy course that time. I'm having some free time. I'm spending on Udemy. In case if any ticket, assign to me. Don't hesitate to assign to me. Why can't you update in the team chat? That is one of the good habit you need to do it, sir. Okay, not okay. Understandable, sir, everyone?
Yes.
That is a one thing, sir. This is also very important. Calendar management is also very important. Your day calendar is also very important. Okay, that is a one thing. Now, second thing. For example, I hope you understood about Pagerduty. You will be on call, sir. You should carry your mobile and laptop wherever you are going. And maintaining calendar is also very important. Very, very important. Maintaining calendar is also very, very important. And next thing, what you need to focus. Okay, what you need to focus is, for example, today you got one ticket, sir. Okay, it's a job failure alert. Okay, it's very simple alert. You need to just rerun the job. The job will success. You need to just rerun the job. Job will success. Okay. Now you took the ticket. You was in for 30 minutes. You took the ticket. You was in for 30 minutes. You rerun the job. Job run successful. You updated the same in the ticket. Hi team. We received so and so ticket on so and so time. We verified the job got failed due to is we rerun the job. Job run successful. Hence we are closing the ticket. That's it. Tomorrow also you got the same ticket. What you done? You pick the ticket immediately because you know that issue, or you pick the ticket. You done same thing. You spent you make a note for 30 minutes. You done same thing. You updated same notes here also. Third day you got same ticket. You done same thing. Fourth day you got same ticket. You done same thing. You are thinking that no one is looking, but your leads are looking. Okay, your application leads means, for example, I'm an application lead, sir. As a DBA, I'm the lead for the application, right? I am going to take care about how many tickets are getting for this application. Okay, then I realize whole this week we got 7 times this ticket, and okay, Subbu not done anything. That is a biggest escalation on you. That is the biggest escalation on you. You are thinking that, okay, I am working on the ticket. Every day I'm getting one ticket. I am working. I am keeping 30 minutes time. Okay, 1 day accepted. 2 days, okay. 3rd day also same. 4th day also same. 5th day also same. 6th day also same. 7th day also same. Then definitely that will escalate on you. What I need to do, Subbu, then? Okay. In the job, when you go to the job, there is an option called recurring. Okay. So if a job got failed, you know that second time the job is running. Okay. If the job got failed, you know that second time the job is running. You know that second time job will run success. Okay. Second time the job will run success. Okay. Why can't you retry? Why can't you retry? Retry one more time within span of 5 minutes. Job is running after 2 runs. Okay. Why can't you retry for 2 times within span of 5 minutes? Now, whenever first time it got failed, you won't get ticket. You won't get ticket, sir, because you attempt to retry attempt. So again, it will try within 5 minutes. Again, it will try one more time. Job got success. You won't get alert. Means you reduced one ticket by just changing one setting, and you are not doing that stuff every day. Every day you are making 30 minutes attendance on your calendar by picking the ticket, closing the ticket, picking the ticket, closing the ticket. Many DBAs will do this stuff, sir. Accepted, everyone? No? I'm not telling you will do, sir. Many DBAs I'm going to say, okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So try to, sir, first time accepted. Second, I will tell you all the loopholes, sir. No worries. Okay. I will talk more, sir. Yeah, this is one thing. So if you are getting a tickets repeatedly, try to do one thing, sir. Okay. For example, you are getting a ticket for today. You worked, you closed. Tomorrow you got the ticket. You worked, you closed. Okay. Day after tomorrow, what I need to do? I will stop here, sir. It is lengthy. Okay. Can I continue for tomorrow? No worries. Only one day. I will spend one more day, and then Thursday, can I go for actual DB training? Is it okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. You got something, or we are wasting any time? No, right? You got something.
Yes, sir.
So basically, technical, sir, knowledge definitely will learn, but process. My intention is you need to understand the process. Why I'm telling that you need to prepare, you need to prepare, you need to prepare means who will talk on SWAT calls, who will talk on SHO calls, who will talk with customers. You are the only one person, sir. You are the only one person. No one will help you here. Okay. So tomorrow we'll spend some more time in continuous this one, and we'll go for the architecture, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. See you tomorrow, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.